Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shraddha and today we are diving into the final leg of our Gujarat series. If you haven't caught up on the previous vlogs, be sure to check out the Gujarat series playlist. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on those adventures. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our new videos. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into this vlog. Our first stop is the breathtaking Mahabat Maqbara in Junagadh. One of Gujarat's most glorious example of Euro-Indo-Islamic architecture with French windows and Gothic columns, its lavish appeal is topped off by its silver inner doors. The minars on the sides have spiral steps going up to the top of the tower. Seems to bubble up into the sky in the old city. The beauty and grandeur of Mahabat Maqbara are truly awe-inspiring. Now we are off to Vadodara to visit the magnificent Laxmi Vilas Palace, a symbol of royalty and opulence. Once you enter through the main gate of Laxmi Vilas Palace, you will find a ticket counter on the left side of the parking lot. From here, you will have to purchase a ticket for the palace, and if you plan on visiting Maharaja Fateh Singh Museum, then get a combined ticket which is Rs 375 for Indian national, and for foreigners it is Rs 775. Walking through the halls of Laxmi Vilas Palace feels like stepping back in time to an era of luxury and elegance. Don't forget to add this to your travel list when visiting Gujarat. The palace was built by Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III in 1890s, who ruled the Baroda state. Major Charles Monk was credited to be the main architect of the palace. This palace is built over 500 acres. This is the largest private home built till date and 4 times the size of Buckingham Palace. Next, we visited Maharaja Fateh Singh Museum. The museum showcases art pieces that belongs to the illustrious Maratha family. European Renaissance and Rococo paintings, portraits, marble busts, and a collection of portraiture by Raja Ravi Verma. More than 30 original paintings are part of the collection. Much of this art was commissioned by the Maharaja himself. Artifacts from different countries are spread over 2 floors and a fully functional toy train. World's smallest locomotive engine for the prince in the garden outside are worth your while. Here is a quick tour of the suite room at the Fortune and Promenade where we stayed during our visit to Vadodara. The rooms were spacious and elegantly decorated. The living area is perfect for relaxation and work, with comfortable sitting and a work desk. The room comes with all the modern amenities and luxuries, perfect for your comfortable stay in Vadodara. Now, what's a trip to Gujarat without indulging in its delectable cuisine? So, we visited Mandap to try out famous Gujarati thali and savor the flavors of traditional dishes. I had heard a lot about Sri Ram Tampamwala's iconic bhel. So let's go inside and try this bhel. The shop owner was kind enough to share the recipe of the bhel so that you can purchase the bhel from their shop and try this recipe at your home as well. The bhel is perfect blend of spicy, tangy and crunchy goodness. Definitely a must try if you are a chaat lover. Many other food options are available on the Alkapuri street. You can try out the cafe, or there is also Gaylord, which is famous for its chai. After having breakfast at Fortune Inn Promenade, we will be visiting the Statue of Unity, dedicated to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. To reach Statue of Unity, you can fly into Vadodara or Ahmedabad airports and then take a road trip to the statue. There are also buses and trains available from major cities in Gujarat. The gate opens at 8 am and closes at 6 pm from Tuesday to Sunday. The laser light show and sound show can be viewed from 7 pm onwards daily, except on Mondays. Once you reach the parking lot of the Statue of Unity, you will have to catch one of the tour buses that will take you to the main entry gate. There are also auto rickshaws that run between the parking lot and the entry gate. There are other tourist attractions near Statue of Unity. You'll have to book separate tickets for all those attractions from their website. Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world, standing at an impressive height of 182 meters. It's almost twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty in the United States. The statue was inaugurated on October 31st, 2018 to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a key figure in India's struggle for independence and the unification of the country after partition. The intricate detailing and engineering marvel of the statue are truly awe-inspiring. Walking around the base of the statue, you will also find a museum and exhibition center showcasing Sardar Patel's life and contribution to India. It's a fantastic opportunity to learn more about our history and heritage. That wraps up our visit to Gujarat. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Bye. Thanks for watching.